Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation which is 5 to the power of x divided by 100. This is equal to 5. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. So we have 5 to the power of x divided by 100. This is equal to 5. Now we find that 5 is a whole number, so this is over 1. So the first step is to cross multiply. So that now we have 5 to the power of x. This is equal to 5 multiplied by 100. Now, to solve for the value of x here, let's introduce logarithm on both sides. We have log 5 to the power of x. This is equal to log 5 multiplied by 100. Now we have that log 5 to the power of x. This is in the form of log a to the power of b, which we can express as b log a. Now, applying this power log property, this follows that log 5 to the power of x becomes x log 5. This is equal to log. This is 5 multiplied by 100. Let's divide on both sides by 5. So that now we simplify here. This means that x is equal to log 5 multiplied by 100 divided by log 5. The next step is that we have log 5 times 100. This is of the form log a multiplied by b, which can be expressed as log a plus log b. Now, applying this logarithm property, this follows that we have x is equal to log 5 divided by log 5, then plus log 100 divided by log 5. Now let's simplify log 5 and log 5 here. So this is 1, so that we have x is equal to 1 plus log 100 divided by log 5. Now the next step is that we can express 100. This is the same thing as 25 multiplied by 4. So we have x is equal to 1 plus, this is log 25 multiplied by 4 divided by log 5. Now we have x, this is equal to 1 plus, now we can express log 25 times 4. This is the same thing as log 25 divided by log 5 plus log 4 divided by log 5. So that now we have x is equal to 1 plus, we can express log 25. This is the same thing as log 5 to the power of 2 divided by log 5 plus log 4, which is log 2 to the power of 2 divided by log 5. So we have x is equal to 1 plus, now we can express log 5 to the power of 2 as 2 log 5 divided by log 5. Then plus here we have 2 log 2 divided by log 5. Now this implies that we can simplify log 5 and log 5, so that we have x here is equal to 1 plus 2, this is 3, plus 2, here we have log 2 divided by log 5. The next step is that we have log 2 over log 5. This is of the form log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Now, applying this logarithm property, this follows that x is equal to 3 plus 2 log 2 to base 5. Now, this is the value of x. This is the value of x. So the next step is to verify that this value of x here satisfies the equation by following these steps. Now let's verify that this value of x here satisfies the equation. So if you recall, we have that 5 raised to the power of x divided by 100. This is supposed to give us a value of 5. So let's substitute the value of x so that we have 5 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 log 2 to base 5. Everything here divided by 100. This should give us a value of 5. So since 2 is a power here, we can express this as 5 raised to the power of 3 plus log 2 raised to the power of 2 then to base 5 divided by 100. This should give us a value of 5. So we have that 5 to the power of 3 plus log 2 squared to base 5. This is of the form a to the power of n plus m, which we can express as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. Let's apply this exponent property so that now we have 5 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of log 2 raised to the power of 2 to base 5 divided by 100. This is supposed to give us a value of 5. So we have that 5 to the power of 3. This is equal to 125 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 2 to the power of 2 to base 5. This is actually in the form of a to the power of log b to base a, and this should give us a value of b. So this is to mean that 5 raised to the power of log 2 to the power of 2 to base 5. This should give us a value of 2 squared, which is 4. So we have 125 multiplied by 4 divided by 100. This should give us a value of 5. Now we have 125 times 4. This is equal to 500 divided by 100. This should give us a value of 5. Now we can simplify here. 500 divided by 100. This is equal to 5. And this implies that 5 is equal to 5. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this means that the value of x here, which is equal to 3 plus 2 log 2 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video.